बचपन का जादू प्यार में, छोटी सी हंसी में बड़ा आसमान, नन्हे कदमों में छुपा अरमान। सीखे हम खेलने खेल में, कल की आशा आज के मैल में। बचपन की उड़ान है, सपनों की पहचान है, हर बच्चे के दिल में दुनिया की जान है। बड़े सपने चुन ले, जहाँ गिर उठना ही हिम्मत का सबक, जहाँ प्यार से मिट जाता हर एक डर जग। हर बच्चा रंगों की किताब, हर बच्चा दुनिया का आफताब। Respect and love we bring, children are the heart of everything. होठों पर हंसी, आंखों में प्रकाश, बच्चों से चलता है दुनिया का विकास। बाल दिवस आओ कहे साथ, हर बच्चे को मिले हक प्यार और जीवन का प्रकाश। यो
two things in mind. One of them wanted to encourage and motivate the children, but I think they're too excited to play. We should not disturb them today. They don't need lecturing today. And we take response from the children once the meeting is over, once the games are over. So apart from this, I don't think there's anything else. Can we all raise for the national anthem?
President for giving this opportunity. I thank each and every lion and the guests who have come all the way from Secunderabad to attend this special meeting, and also we are celebrating Children's Day. Thank you so much, one and all. Long live Lionism.
Please give me a second for the national anthem. Happy Children's Day to all. This month I will do for anniversary. Second, I will do my graduation ceremony and my fifth anniversary. November 3rd, our silver anniversary couple, Hitesh ji and Anshul ji celebrated. We wish them lot of good wishes. Then on November 7th, Sarika Bhargava celebrated her birthday. And November 8th, Sukhinder ji and also Maheshwara Prada, they celebrated their birthday. Yeah, that is all for this one. Thank you very much.
धक धक दिल की रफ्तार में, बचपन का जादू प्यार में। छोटी सी हंसी में बड़ा आसमान, नन्हे कदमों में छुपा अरमान। सीखे हम खेलने खेल में, कल की आशा आज के मैल में। बचपन की उड़ान है, सपनों की पहचान है, हर बच्चे के दिल में दुनिया की जान है। चलो आज पुकारे हर बच्चा मान है। एक दर्जक, हर बच्चा रंगों की किताब, हर बच्चा दुनिया का आफताब. Respect and love we bring, children are the heart of everything. होठों पर हंसी, आंखों में प्रकाश, बच्चों से चलता है दुनिया का विकास. बाल दिवस आओ कहे साथ, हर बच्चे को मिले हक प्यार और जीवन का प्रकाश. यो बचपन जहाँ उम्मीदें जन्म ले, जहाँ छोटी आंखें भी बड़े सब में चुन ले. चलो मस्ती में धूम मचा दे आज. कदम हमारे थिरक थिरक सपनों की पगडंडी तक, हंसते कूदते चले सभी बचपन की अपनी रौनक. चलो आज बाल दिवस में यादों की पखें फोड़े, खुशियों वाली दौड़ लगाए, सपनों को हम साथ जोड़े. Hey बचपन रॉक्स. Hey बचपन रॉक्स. ताली बजा कदम बढ़ा, मस्ती का झूला झूला. कागज की नावें चलती, हवा में उम्मीदें पलती, हर पल है रंगीन यहाँ, दिल में बचपन बसती. चलो आज बाल दिवस में यादों की पखें फोड़े, खुशियों वाली दौड़ लगाए, सपनों को हम साथ जोड़े.
This is Shreya from My Entertainments. Can I know your name?
I'm Asha Kanjani.
Okay.
I'm from Hyderabad, born, brought up, settled, everything Hyderabad. Yeah.
How are you a part of Lions Club? How do you get to know about Lions Club?
Yeah, Lions Club because of my dad, because he's been a very active member from last 35 years.
Wow, that is very nice.
Yeah, so I'm associated indirectly with Lions Club since then.
Okay.
But now I had joined last year as a member.
Okay.
And then I'm just committee member along with my dad, just to help him out.
Okay.
So he wants to carry forward the legacy because now
is very nice.
He's getting old and he's been traveling. So he wants me to carry forward the legacy. So that's how I'm more active now.
Okay. So how do you feel when you meet such kind of people? You have donated for the orphanage people, you have donated for the blind people. So how do you feel doing all this?
It's an amazing feeling. Like you feel good, like you're giving back to society instead of receiving something. You are God has given you that ability to help others. So it's a great feeling helping others. Like it's been in the family since my childhood. I've been really nice. I've been a volunteer for my community, also Sindhi community.
Okay.
So we have our groups out there too. So we do all these type of works for the community also. So this is an extension, and it's a lovely feeling meeting different people, different groups. So it's really good.
Why did you think of this orphanage too as such?
This is already linked with Lions Club.
Okay.
So it's a part of the Lions Club. So that is how we thought of celebrating Children's Day here. Yes, since there are so many children here. So it's lovely. They are enjoying.
Yeah, they're enjoying a lot today.
They are so excited with the mehendi and the games and the gifts they are getting. So it's a good feeling. Yeah.
It's a good initiative to start. And what are you giving them, ma'am, today?
Today we are giving them these books, drawing books, painting, to bring out the talent in them and the
Yeah,
artistry.
usually we
Yeah.
have a very these kids are more talented than the other kids what we usually see. So that is really nice.
Yeah.
Hope they come out with true colors
They
and
are so
such.
excited, no?
Yeah.
Seeing them excited, we feel so happy. We remember our childhood in them, so it's like, when we used to get somebody in school, so we used to be so excited.
Yeah.
So it's great
It's like-
feeling, giving them the feeling what we had. So it's a lovely thing, Instead of going here and there, it's nice to enjoy with these type of children.
Yeah, it's like nothing else more precious than these moments as such. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
ma'am.
thank you so much.
चलो मस्ती में धूम मचा दे आज कदम हमारे थिरक थिरक सपनों की पगडंडी तक हंसते कूदते चले सभी बचपन की अपनी रौनक चलो आज बाल दिवस में यादों की पखुड़े फोड़े खुशियों वाली दौड़ लगाए सपनों को हम साथ जोड़े Hey, बचपन रॉक्स Hey, बचपन रॉक्स ताली बजा कदम बढ़ा मस्ती का झूला झूला कागज की नावें चलती हवा में उम्मीदें पलती हर पल है रंगीन यहाँ दिल में बचपन बसती चलो आज बाल दिवस में यादों की बटखें फोड़े खुशियों वाली दौड़ लगाए सपनों को हम साथ जोड़े Hey, बचपन रॉक्स Hey, बचपन रॉक्स Hey, बचपन रॉक्स
Hi sir, welcome to My Entertainment. Can I know your name?
My name is Mitesh.
What do you do, sir?
I am having business,
Okay.
sanitary business,
Okay.
and I am a distributor of Goeta sanitary products and everything.
Okay. So we came to know that you are giving sanitary pads to these kids.
Yeah.
So that is a very nice initiative from your end. We really appreciate you for that. There's why did you think you wanted to go into this sanitary pad? This thing, many children still don't know.
Actually, our members are very taking initiative like this type of experiments like sanitary pads, and they are doing this eye screening camp, medical camp. So they want everything in such
Under one roof first.
one roof family.
Yeah.
That's right.
Do you know that many people are still there who are not actually having that idea of how to use a sanitary pad, what are the requirements? They're still in that phase where they think using a cloth is more better than using a sanitary pad as such. Do you agree to that?
No, that is not like that.
But most people
yeah.
are not aware of it, that
Yeah,
they can,
yeah.
how to use a sanitary pad.
Correct.
They don't have the idea of that.
Yeah.
So many people do have, but not much people don't have. So this is very nice initiative from you to do this for these kind of kids, which will help them to stay healthy
Yes. yes.
and safe and get. Now, because of the girls usually face a lot of issues when
Yeah.
they don't have that proper hygiene during their menstrual cycle. That's really nice.
Yes, yes.
And sir, how did you get associated with Lions Club actually?
Last 3 years back, my friend Purushottam Jamna ji has taken this initiative for myself and Kesh was there. So we both have joined 3 years back only.
Okay.
So I like very much with this all these companies, and all are happy with that. So that's why we have so many medical camps I have seen. We are having a hospital at Maradpalli Dandu Hospital.
Okay.
So I have seen many times. So they are doing very good. In there.
Yeah.
That's why we have joined for this.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
चलो मस्ती में धूम मचा दे आज कदम हमारे थिरक थिरक सपनों की पगडंडी तक हंसते कूदते चले सभी बचपन की अपनी रौनक चलो आज बाल दिवस में यादों की पखके फोड़े.
How do you feel about being here today on the Children's Day with so many kids?
It's a very happy occasion to celebrate the Children's Day with the children. And we are lucky as a Lions Club of Secunderabad. We have made it a habit to celebrate our Children's Day with the children. And in this particular, it's an orphanage, Rainbow Orphanage. Basically, it's like recalling the child in ourselves by mixing with the children.
So how did you come to know about Lions Club and how did you join Lions Club?
So I joined Lions Club in the year 2012.
Okay.
And it was through my uncle, Ryan Kuldeep Singh Saluja, who introduced me.
Okay.
And after that, this is the 14th year, and now I am the region chairperson of Lions. That is, after doing secretaryship, treasurer, president, zone chairman, now I am the region secretary.
Wow, that's really nice. You
I
have
love
a very long journey as well.
Yeah, and the future is also bright as people look back. So we love to serve and love to enjoy with the ground floor.
And you should be very proud being a Sikh. Sikhs have that this thing to usually they are very giving back to the society. They give a lot to the society back.
Yeah.
So that has also been one of the part of your
And Lions Medium was a very good way of serving the people. So this is what Lionism has done. In fact, I have learned a lot of after joining Lionism. I have learned how to speak. I have been a better speaker, and I started loving people. And when you see the excitement of the children, when you suppose make a donation,
that is
and that is the ultimate.
that is compared to nothing other than just the love that we get from them.
Absolutely.
Whatever money we put in, whatever time we are giving into them, that is more very this thing as such.
And particularly this Lions Club of Secunderabad, which is the 62 years old club, and for the last 5-6 years we have been getting involved in these sort of activities where we go to the particular downtown areas. And like last year we were with the transgenders who have never yet, I don't think nobody has touched them. We serve them. I can be conductor for transgenders, and this is what is going on. And we are lucky to have a good president last year, this year, and it's getting carried on.
That is really nice. You are doing a lot of initiative, taking up a lot of initiative to help the society. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Hi, ma'am. Welcome to My Entertainments. Can we know about the school, what you are having, and the talent what these extraordinary kids are having?
Rightly said, these kids are really extraordinary, really special. They come from varied backgrounds, each needing our support. Thing is, this is a home for them. We don't call it an orphanage or anything. This is a home to them. This is a childcare institution where these children come and they need our care and support. Those who are in need of care and support. Some of them have their families, they have their parents, and some of them are without parents. Some of them are from the street without any shelter, without any home. So such children come to us and we provide them comprehensive care, wherein we take care of their shelter, food, nutritious food, education, health. Health in the sense not only physical health but mental health also, because they have seen so much in their life, undergone so much trauma that they need some special support in terms of mental wellness. So that is also provided here, and these are wonderful children, special children. Each child is a special child, having multi-talented, I can say. Few of them are very good in academics, education, and then we have so many other girls achieving so many things in different fields. We have chess players, chess champions. We have a team of cricket here also.
Wow.
And with the help of the support from different donors, they once in a year or once in 2 years, they go to Maharashtra, and then the donors arrange matches with the Vidarbha Cricket Association. So they play the matches there, and then they have got best fielder, best bowler, upcoming cricketer, such thing. And then this is Shruti. She's also
Hi, Shruti.
a cricket player. She's also a cricket player. She's doing her inter first year, and
Wow.
as you can see, she's also multi.
She's giving you an excellent design of Mehndi.
Yeah,
That's awesome. She's excellently talented.
yeah.
How do you feel, ma'am, having these kids around you? They need so much of love, giving them so much of love back to them, which they always wanted.
I'm learning so much from them, so I feel it's my responsibility. Okay, so that is what, and
I should say they are really blessed to have you because they are getting that love from you, they're getting that affection from you, they're so much attached to you.
right, yeah, they are. Actually, I'm a lawyer by training.
Oh wow.
Okay, so I think I came here more than 10 or 12 years back.
Okay.
Then I had just come for a very short period because one of the persons connected with the home was going abroad. So
Okay.
they just wanted me to volunteer for 3 months.
Okay.
And 3 months हो गया अभी almost 12 years भी हो रहे हैं and I'm still with them. And the great moment was when I first visited after that volunteer. First visit, I mean, the children just come to you running, "Mummy, now you've just seen one girl."
Yeah.
So, I mean, sometimes you get more love and that affection and things from sometimes you just don't get from your own family or your own children.
Yeah.
So that really, yeah, that
It is very priceless as such.
right, that exactly. And then I have this girl, Nikita.
Okay.
She's a silver medalist in training.
Oh wow, that is nice.
She has overcome a lot of trauma, a lot of family issues, and then she had come here. She started studying. She's studying now. At the same time, she got selected from among the 18 girls, I think, who were selected for sailing from the Yacht Club of Hyderabad. So they have been our supporters. So now it's within a span of just 18 months or so, she started participating in national championships.
Wow, that's really nice.
And then in Hyderabad, during Independence Day regatta, she won a silver medal. She stood second. Yeah. And then also upcoming silver medal. She got 2 silver medals. One is she stood second, and then is most promising.
Overall second, girls were second.
Okay.
Most promising sailor. We had also another sailor, but she yeah. But since she's in 10th class, so she had to discontinue. Otherwise, she's a gold medalist. And then we have chess champions, like I told you, and many children with multi-talented. Only thing is they just need our little support, our little push, and with that, I'm sure they will do wonderfully. And we are really thankful to Lions Club and people like you who regularly come and support our children. So that's great. Of course, we are doing, but then without support of you people, I don't think we would have been able to do much.
Yeah, we would like to thank Lions Club for letting us know they're doing so much of charity to the society, and we wanted to spread the word through Aarti ma'am that
associated with this home since many years. One of our lion, Govardhan, he visits here regularly, and we serve them by he lets us know what is the requirement, and we try to support them. And
Okay.
this is it's a genuine home where the children are taken care genuinely. So that's how we are associated, and thank you so much. Thank you so much.
it's really nice to do this initiative on the part of Children's Day, ma'am. Being with children, being a children with them, dancing with them,
Yes.
enjoying with
We
them.
enjoyed so much. There was
They had a good time. That is really nice.
Yes, they wanted to dance on the beach, and we thought let's arrange a small DJ, not DJ, but it's a small event for them. Just spreading happiness. We are also happy, they are also happy. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, one
Lot
word
of satisfaction. Yeah.
to this through this event, what you are doing. The one word you would like to spread to the society as such.
give love and take love. That's my idea of doing service.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children are our future tomorrow, so we need to reach out to them. There are many more children than what we have here, so let us join hands and reach out to them and then give them support that they really need, love they need. And that is only one small our part as a responsibility we can do. So I really wish all of us join hands and reach out to them.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. If somebody wants to contact you, how do I contact you, ma'am?
Yeah, they can call. If you have the number, I can share my number anytime. They can just drop. It's not that we always look for some donation. It can be in kind also, not just cash. No, if nothing else, you can just come and spend some time with them.
Yeah.
Because see, we are always here. But some outsiders, some third person, no, they really look forward to the visits from outsiders.
Yeah.
So just come and spend some time. That
Yeah,
will also
it was
be
really
sweet.
nice when we came in. We were shooting that the Mehndi shoot. They were so excited. They
Right.
came, they hugged, and it was
Yes,
feeling very nice coming back to our childhood.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
They never let us forget that.
Yeah, that was more precious than anything
Right,
else.
exactly. And I'm saying that I've been working, but I don't ever feel like it's a work. It's so much passion for me. I don't feel like I'm working, So, yeah.
The younger generation should know to give it back to the society again.
Exactly. That's what we have so many sessions for them, capacity building sessions, life skill sessions, perspective building sessions, so that, I mean, apart from being a good human being, apart from just being a successful, they also need to have some goodness in them, kindness in them, so that they share whatever they have gone through, they have learned, they've come out of it. So that way they should also share with others what they have learned. So not just being successful, being good is also equally important. That's what
Yeah.
we teach them. Yeah.
So Uncle Lions Club इतने सारे डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं, जैसे लिम्स डोनेट कर रहे हैं, और आई चेकअप्स करते हैं, डेंटल क्लिनिक्स है, ये सब कुछ है. तो आप इतना सारा कर रहे हैं लोगों के लिए.
ये हम नहीं करे, ये एक टाइप का चॉइस आ गया और लोगों की भावना में चेंज हो गया. वो चेंज ऐसा हो गया कि लोगों के लिए हम कुछ करना, ये अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे, ये सब दूसरों के लिए कर रहे, तो उसके लिए कुछ करना, ये भावना दिमाग में आने के बाद में एक एक करके आप कार्य करने वाला अगर है तो आपको पैसे की कमी कहीं नहीं है. आप कार्य अगर करने वाला है तो आपको पैसे की कमी नहीं है. आज बोलो कल सवेरे आपके पास पैसे आ जाते हैं, लेकिन काम करने वाला होना. यहाँ अभी तक जो है तो काम करने वाले नहीं थे. जब से हमें लेडीज के हाथ में काम दे दिए, जब से लेडीज प्रेसिडेंट बन गई, जब से एक्टिविटीज हमारी जो है आज 9 गुना बढ़ गई. जो पहले साल में 4 एक्टिविटीज होती थी, आज रोज एक्टिविटीज हो रही. ये बेसिक फर्क पड़ गया, क्योंकि बच्चों की माँ आने के बाद में बच्चे जो है तो और सुधर गए. लाइन में आने के बाद में इंटरटेनमेंट इतना अच्छा हो गया कि अब जो है सो आज ये 40 साल में 35 साल में मुझे ये पता लगा कि लोगों के साथ में रहने से अपनी आयु ऑटोमेटिक बढ़ जाती. जो पहले जो है सो आदमी की उम्र कम रहती क्योंकि उसको इंटरटेनमेंट नहीं रहता, लेकिन लाइन में आने के बाद में हमको ये इंटरनेट मिल गया कि जिससे जो है हमारी लाइफ आज सुधर गई. आज मैं 86 का हो गया हूँ, तो भी जो है मुझे ये महसूस नहीं होता कि मैं 86 का हो गया बोल.
You are very young, Uncle. आप बहुत
As on today, I am believe myself I am a young man.
That's nice.
कभी भी कार्य करने वाला बताना नहीं मैं कार्य कर रहा हूँ.
वो तो करेक्ट है.
आज कोई भी चीज दे दिए भूल जाना. हम लोगों में एक ही चीज है, ये हाथ से देते ये हाथ से भूल जाते. वो होना, अगर आप दिमाग में ये रख लिए कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, ये तुम करने वाले नहीं है. तुम्हारे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है. आज जो भी कुछ आपके पास आ रहा उसमें आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे, आप अपने जेब से कुछ नहीं दे रहे. आपके पास जो आ रहा बाहर से वो आप दे रहे. अगर आपके पास कुछ रहता तो आप संभाल के रखते। जिंदे पने में आपको जो सौ पैसे की हाय है, मरने के बाद कहाँ ले जाएंगे? ले जाते कोई?
कुछ भी नहीं।
इसलिए जो सो अपने हाथ से बुजुर्ग लोग पहले बोलते थे कि करे सो काम और भजे सो राम। क्यों बोलते थे? अपने दिल में आया तो करते जाओ, लेकिन बोलो मत कि मैंने ये दिया, मैंने वो खिलाया, मैंने वो खाया। ये सब बोलना नहीं। खा लिया, चले गया, वापस निकला गया, वो बस ऐसे ही रहना। आदमी को वो स्वभाव रहना। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू अंकल। हेलो अंकल, वेलकम टू माय एंटरटेनमेंट। आपको लायंस क्लब से कितने साल से एसोसिएटेड हो?
45 years.
ओके, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू नाउ?
94.
Oh my God, you're a very young man. So how do you feel doing charity to the society at this age? You have been you are an inspiration to so many people.
It has been my very, very proud privilege to associate myself with this type of a function for Children's Day. I have been enjoying Lionism from last 45 years. Rarely I have seen association like the one that I am seeing today. I wish every child to prosper and prosper, prosper and prosper. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, you are the youngest man of Lions, I can say. You have doing so much at this age, and like it is like being so active and getting your the next generation also to be a part of this. This kind of events is really nice, and everybody should learn from here that from you to be more caring and loving and be giving back to the society. Thank you so much, sir. It's been an honor to be here with you.
धक धक दिल की रफ्तार में, बचपन का जादू प्यार में, छोटी सी हंसी में बड़ा आसमान, नन्हे कदमों में छुपा अरमान, सीखे हम खेलने खेल में, कल की आशा आज के मैल में, बचपन की उड़ान है, सपनों की पहचान है, हर बच्चे के दिल में दुनिया की जान है, चलो आज पुकारे हर बच्चा मान है, बचपन जहाँ उम्मीदें जन्म ले, जहाँ छोटी आंखें भी बड़े सपने चुन ले, जहाँ गिर उठना ही हिम्मत का सबक, जहाँ प्यार से मिट जाता हर एक डर चक, हर बच्चा रंगों की किताब, हर बच्चा दुनिया का आफताब, respect and love we bring, children are the heart of everything. होठों पर हंसी, आंखों में प्रकाश, बच्चों से चलता है दुनिया का विकास, बाल दिवस आओ कहे साथ, हर बच्चे को मिले हक प्यार और जीवन का प्रकाश। यो बचपन जहाँ उम्मीदें जन्म ले, जहाँ छोटी आंखें भी बड़े सब में चुन ले, जहाँ गिर कर उठना ही हिम्मत का सबक, जहाँ प्यार से मिट जाता हर एक डर चका, हर बच्चा रंगों की किताब, हर बच्चा दुनिया का आफताब, respect and love we bring, children are the heart of everything.
Hi ma'am, welcome to my entertainment. Today we are happy to be a part of this charity what you're doing for the orphanage people. How do you feel being here with these beautiful kids?
it is a very overwhelming situation. We all have our children at home, but when you look at these kids who do not have anybody to do anything for them, it is a little happiness that we want to add. We cannot fulfill what they are missing in their lives, but through whatever little we can do, whatever happiness, smallest happiness we can give them, that is what we are trying to do.
So, ma'am, Lions Club is always been giving so much to the society as such, to these kids. How do you feel their one smile makes a lot of difference?
Yes, definitely. I think more than Lions Club, it should be called Smiles Club, because we aim at making people smile.
One smile,
Especially the underprivileged people, especially who cannot afford it. Like we were at Devnar in the morning, and now we are here. These children, see, everybody, you can, nobody will pamper them. This mehendi session, girls are always very fond of getting mehendi done, but not everybody. Koi bhi aayega, chocolate deke jayega. At least at 4 or 5 days, they'll see the mehendi and be happy.
Yeah.
So that was our thing, ki we leave some impression in their mind ki yes, we are children, we are pampered, we are special. Definitely they are much more special than our own children, because हम जितना भी अपने बच्चों को देंगे वो कम है.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, they may say we are thankful, but they will never be thankless. I'm quite sure of that.
Yeah.
These children are going to be thankful, and they sustain. It is their sustainability.
Yeah.
They sustain on charity from various organizations. It is my request to everybody who sees our video, please do whatever you can, spread happiness wherever you can in the society around you. We have Lion Purushottam Ji with us. He has been into Lionism for a very long time, and very silently, he does not want his name to come anywhere. Very silently, he does his donations, his part of the job, and he goes, and he is an inspiration and a mentor to all of us. I am very new into Lionism, but we have such a beautiful family. Our Lions Club is a beautiful family. Like if you say I have one brother, 4 brothers, I have 40 brothers here. I am telling you, I just have to say, bhaiya ye karna hai. After that, they will manage everything. We had, if you would have seen today, we had separate cartons over there.
Yeah.
Now there are 50 items in each packet.
Wow.
And I did not go there. The ladies have done it themselves.
Okay.
So that is what Lions Club is. We work in unity for the happiness, to spread happiness in the society. That's all.
One message to the society from your end, from the Lions Club end.
You do not have to support financially. If you cannot, that is not important. Whether you give your time, whether you give your effort, or whether you give your talent or money, you can serve in whatever way possible. Money is not everything. Today, government school teachers get the least salaries. Some are unpaid. In spite of that, they bring up such beautiful children. The students are so well mannered, such nice etiquettes they have. So money is not everything. Wherever you can spread word, wherever you can spread happiness, kindness, just do.
We came to know that there are some students here who are representing the international level, the state level, and it's really nice to be here with these children on the occasion of Children's Day. And
definitely, the honor is ours. It is not theirs. The honor and pleasure is both ours.
And I am thankful that my children came to know there are children like this who who don't have so many privileges as they get. This the time they need to know that they have to learn so much.
Yes,
from
definitely. Our children have to be thankful for all that they have. They do not know how to be thankful. Believe you me, when you look at these people over here, we are thankful for our childhood, for our parents during that age, and we should be thankful that our children have us. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So happy Children's Day to all of us. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
चलो मिलकर गाएं बाल दिवस, तू झूम के आए. चमक, आंखों में दमक, हर पल में है जादू की झनक। कदम हमारे थिरक थिरक, मस्ती में दुनिया लगे छोटी सी सड़क। चलो आज बाल दिवस में खुशियों के रंग उछाले, यादों की दुनिया में फिर बचपन वाले पल संभाले। है बचपन रॉक्स, है बचपन रॉक्स, है बचपन रॉक्स, है बचपन रॉक्स। बचपन की बातें बड़ी निराली, तन से गुब्बारे तितली वाली, भागे हम बारिश की बूंदों में, हंसी गूंजे चारों सुओं में। बस की नावों से सपने बहन, रंगों से लिखी है राहें रहन। आज के दिन हम बोले लाउड, किड्स आर द फ्यूचर, वी सुपर प्राउड। ताली बजा, कूद फाड़ कर, चलो नाचे सब एक साथ, मिलकर मर। झूले पे उड़े हम आसमान, दिल में छुपा हो हर अरमान। बचपन का जादू है मैन स्टेज, आज बन जाए सब हैप्पी वाइब्स पेज। चलो आज बाल दिवस